In today's lecture, we are going to learn loop jamming or loop combine in code optimization. So basically, it replaces multiple loops with a single one. So how we can do this and how it helps the compiler, we will see with the help of an example. Suppose I'm taking I is equal to 1, one code, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3, right? And I'm taking while loop in which I is less than equal to 10 lakh, and in this while loop what I'm having x is equal to x plus y into z, and I is equal to I plus 1. This I'm having, this is one code. And suppose another code I'm having in which I'm having I is equal to 1, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to 30, and again while loop in which what we are having, I value is less than equal to 10 lakh. And in this while loop what I'm having a is not like this, I'm having a multiply is equal to a plus b. It means a into a is equal to a plus b, right? We know how we can write this code. B multiply is equal to b by c, and c is equal to c into b into a. And then we are having I is equal to I plus 1. Then closing bracket. So suppose we are having these two codes, right? This is first one and this is second one. So we are able to see here that in both the codes 10 lakh comparisons are there. So if we do them individually, then how many comparison will be there, that how many loops will go on? So we can say that 20 lakh, right? If we combine them, or no, not combine, if we do it individually, then how many time it will execute? 20 lakh, because 10 lakh comparisons are here, 10 lakh comparisons are here. So that is the problem. It will take more time. It will take more time to execute, right? As we are able to see that 10 lakh comparisons are there. So what is the solution for that? And how loop jamming or loop combine helps in that? So we can say that it replaces multiple loops with a single one. If there are multiple loops and it will take more time in execution as number of comparisons are more. So what we can do? We can do in loop jamming or loop combine that it replaces multiple loops with a single one. So we can say what will be the solution for that? We will see now. What will be the solution for that? So we are going to combine both the loops. So what should I write first? So as there are number of variables are here, or in which we have defined the values. So first we need to define those variables. I is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. Then in the second one what we are having, I is equal to 1 is there, so that will remain same. Now we are having x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, and z is equal to 30. So we will take some more variable in which we will assign this value. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to 30, right? So we have defined all the variables of these two loops, right? Different codes. Now in both the case while loop is there, so I'm going to write while loop where I value is less than equal to 10 lakh, right? Because it is same in both, right? After that, what is there here? What kind of calculations are going on? We are able to see here this and this is same, right? And this is different. So we are writing here x is equal to x plus y into z, and then after that these three lines, a multiplication is equal to a plus b, and b multiplication is equal to b by c, and c is equal to c into this line, c into b into a, b into a. And after that what I will write, I is equal to I plus 1, because in every comparison I is incrementing by 1, right? After that closing loop. So in that way we are able to see that both calculation will be performed, right? But it will take half time, right? So how many comparisons will be there? Earlier we are able to see if we are going to do these two codes differently, so it will take 20 lakh comparison, because in one 10 lakh, one 10 lakh. But if we are combining them and doing it together, then how many comparisons will be there? Only 10 lakh. only tell. So that is the beauty of this loop jamming or loop combine in compiler design. So compiler will perform these operations simultaneously if we are going to put both the loops together, right? So this is loop jamming or loop combine in code optimization and compiler design. And in the next lecture, we are going to learn induction variable. If you like it, subscribe the channel, comment below, and wait for the next lecture. Thank you.